everybody, and welcome to another episode of Caro Cooks. Today I'm going to make something delicious. It's called the perfection salad. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? It's a perfect salad. It's another vintage recipe. Maybe not like ham and bananas holidays because I'm not actually going to cook. I know it's called Caro Cooks, but whatever. I am going to make the perfect salad. See that picture again. It's a perfect salad. It's gonna be so. So the first thing that you need for perfection salad is a vintage Jello mold. Order these on eBay. So here I'm adding 2 things of gelatin. How do you pronounce that? What's the difference between gelatin and gelatin? And then to the 2 packs of gelatin tin, whatever, we add 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of and then so next I need to add this apple juice. Oh please, pot, be big enough. Oh please, 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 please. Whew. Lemon juice. Okay. Still fits. Oops, thought that I removed all of the lemon seeds. Let me do 2nd tablespoon. Oh gosh, I still have to add 1/4 of water. What have I done? I don't know if it's gonna fit. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Right, here we go. Oh God, oh, I got so lucky. Oh. Then to the Jello, that is a mistake. La da 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 da. And now to gently remove. Oh, 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 oh.
I'm not going to eat that for you.
You're not going to eat it?
Yes.
You are going to eat it?
No. Oh, no. No. No, 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 no.
Well?
That's different, not bad.
Okay.
I'm not going to eat it.
And I agree, it was actually pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed my 2nd episode of Perfection Salad, and my family, I hope you're really excited because I'm totally gonna make that and bring it for Christmas morning. I know we need sides and that's what we're gonna have. Woo, woo. And stay tuned for more episodes of Caro Cooks. I found this guy. It's Santa Claus. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho. I'm gonna make a cake and I'm gonna decorate it. And I bet it's gonna taste delicious and look amazing. See you then.